Morning, afternoon, evening. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. I'm a yoga instructor and personal trainer based in South East London. To be exact, around the area of Crystal Palace, Upper Norwood, those surrounding areas is what I cover. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 exercises to work the glutes. So these are some exercises I used to do in the gym. I've stopped going to the gym maybe about 6 months ago now. I just wasn't feeling it anymore, and I had so much equipment at home. It's not like I had any reason to not train at home instead of going to the gym. But yeah, I just couldn't be bothered to keep waiting for machines. I just wasn't feeling the atmosphere, the gym that I changed to. It just wasn't giving me the vibe that I wanted. So these are some exercises I used to do in the gym and that I now do at home. So we're going to be using these steps. If you don't have steps, you can still do them. So I've got a 6 kg weight here and a bag full of ankle weights that have broken throughout my years of training clients. So yeah, I have ankle weights like this. Some of them are leaking, or bits at the top, or the straps are broken, and I've just kept them in a bag, and we're going to be using those for our bridges and thrusts. So if you have ankle weights, get them out, or even if you just have normal weights or dumbbells, we can use them too. So we're going to start off with standing on our steppers. We've got one on each side. We're going to open the feet up and slightly turn the feet outwards. So I think hopefully you can at least see this foot here. So we're going to be going for 20 reps and repeating it 5 times. So I'm not going to repeat the 5 times on camera. I'm going to do them off camera, but you obviously can just do your 20 reps, pause it, and then repeat them another 4 times and move on to the other exercises. Okay, so we're going to get our kettlebell. We want to start off with our shoulders being back, tucking that pelvis in, pulling the belly button in towards the spine. So you want to come straight down, looking forward, and start pulling up. Squeeze that bottom, slightly push forward and back down. So that's 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, nice squeeze of those glutes, 13, 12, taking it all the way down to the ground, 11, you really feel it in the hip area, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, remember squeeze, slight push, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now from there we're going to go straight into deadlift, so let me just jump onto this one. So just being that extra level up means that you're going to be reaching down further, making your glutes and your hamstrings work harder. So again, I'm going to be using the 6 kg weight. I'm going to have my feet shoulder width apart. Start off with a nice straight back, shoulders back, belly button in. Bring it down, grab your kettlebell. Nice deep inhale, 20 again. 20. 19. Now I like to slightly bend my knees as I'm going down. 18, or you can do it with straight legs. 17. 16, 15, so realise which one you can feel more in your glutes when you're pulling up. 14, if you're doing it with the straight leg like this, or when you slightly bend as you come down. 12, 11, again squeezing the glutes as we come in. 10, 9, 8, 7, keep that straight back, belly button in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, So you've got 20 squats and 20 deadlifts. Now we're going to be moving the second step onto the other step. So if you only have one step, it's fine, or you can do this on your sofa as well. So I'm going to put the step up there, and I'm actually going to take my mat over it as well, so it's a bit more comfortable. So when it comes to my weights, these are 3 kg, and I have some black ones that are 6 kg. So I think I'm going to go for the 6 kg and run 3 kg on top. We're going to bring the mid part of the back onto the steps. Okay, and you're going to add your weight to your hip area, so just above your private parts. I was thinking of a nice word to use. And we're going to again turn the feet slightly out. So from here we want to drop the bottom down and thrust up. Really squeeze that bottom, big thrust. Again, 20 we're going for. So that's 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, really squeeze that bottom, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more to go, come on, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, lovely. Okay, lastly, we're going to do some lunges. So, all of the stuff inside of my weights is now on my floor. Let me move this back in here. Okay. Now for our lunges, we're just going to use one step. And we're going to have one foot on the step, other foot in front. Now we're going to be going for pulses. We're going to go for 10 pulses on each leg. So when I say pulse, it's basically a smaller movement. So instead of going all the way down and all the way up, we'll be doing nice small ones. Okay? Alright, so let's go in 10 seconds. Get positioned. Nice straight back, shoulders back, hands on waist if you want. 3, 2, 1. Take it down. First pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch straight over. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, and you're finished. Well, not finished because you're repeating another 4 sets, and so am I. So yeah, this one is really good for working the thighs, the hamstrings, and the glutes. And you're working everywhere as well because you're having to keep your body in alignment and all that good stuff. So please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or you want to see some more exercises. And I'll be back again soon. Bye.